accepting input by pipe. So what is pipe itself? Let me show you the symbol for pipe. This is the symbol for pipe. Okay, you see that here in the terminal. That is the pipe symbol. And also I'm going to show you another thing. For example, we have echo command. Okay, so when I use echo and then I use like this, okay, a text here like line A and then backslash n, you know what it does. Okay, backslash n will move you to the next line. So backslash n will move you to the next line, and then I type line B and also backslash n, and then move to the new line. In the new line I'm going to type line, for example, C. Now when I hit enter, you see that we have line A, line B, and line C. So this echo will echo, or it will give you the thing you're providing. Okay, here it will provide it for you. Okay, it looks like a print statement in Python. So now I'm going to use this echo, okay, and use the pipe to accept this for my Python script. Okay, so let's go and do that. In here I will use echo -a, and then for example we have line A, and then go to new line, and then we have line B. Again go to new line, and again I'm going to have line C, and close this. Okay, let me change this to capital and perfect. Line A, line B, and line C. So now when I hit enter, it must give me 3 lines of text here. So perfect. Now we have this. I'm going to use pipe, okay, to accept this as input. So let's use Python. What was that? Okay, it was countline.py. And now I'm going to hit enter. So when I hit enter, you see it is giving me total line, which is equal to 3. Let's go and increase this to 4. Okay, go to a new line, and then add line A, B, C, and line D. Now if I hit enter, you see we have total lines is equal to 4. So it is how we can accept input by pipe.